Welcome back to Feudal-land, everyone. If you love futuristic vehicles, compact travel ideas, and unique camper concepts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly different and exciting. This is the Tricycle RV Camper 2026, a bold idea that's changing how we think about road trips, camping, and mobile living. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes this three-wheeled camper such a standout for the future of travel. The Tricycle RV Camper 2026 is designed for people who want freedom, without the bulk of a traditional motorhome. Instead of a large, heavy RV that can be difficult to park and expensive to run, this camper uses a tricycle layout that instantly makes it more compact, lightweight, and agile. The single front wheel and dual rear wheels create a unique driving feel that sits somewhere between a motorcycle and a small car, offering stability while still being easy to maneuver through city streets, narrow roads, and scenic countryside routes from the outside. The design looks modern and futuristic, with smooth curves, a streamlined body, and an aerodynamic shape that helps reduce wind resistance. This isn't just about style. The shape improves efficiency and makes long-distance travel more affordable. The compact size means it fits into tighter parking spaces and smaller campsites, opening up more travel possibilities for solo adventurers and couples who want to explore without limits. Step inside the Tricycle RV Camper 2026 and you'll be surprised by how smartly the space is used. Every inch has a purpose. The interior layout focuses on comfort, simplicity, and functionality. There's a cozy sleeping area that easily transforms into a seating space during the day, giving you a place to relax, eat, or plan your next destination. Soft lighting and modern materials create a warm atmosphere that feels more like a tiny studio apartment than a camper. The kitchenette may be compact, but it's well equipped for life on the road. You'll find a small sink, a portable cooking setup, and storage for essentials, making it easy to prepare simple meals wherever you stop. This setup is perfect for travelers who enjoy quick breakfasts, roadside lunches, or evening meals under the stars without needing a full-sized kitchen. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tricycle RV Camper 2026 is its focus on efficiency and sustainability. Many concepts include electric or hybrid powertrains, aiming to reduce emissions and fuel costs. This makes it ideal for eco-conscious travelers who want to explore nature while minimizing their environmental impact. Solar panels on the roof can help power interior lighting, small appliances, and device charging, allowing you to stay off-grid for longer periods. Driving the Tricycle RV Camper is expected to be simple and accessible, even for those with limited experience in larger vehicles. The lighter weight and smaller footprint make it less intimidating than a traditional RV. Steering feels responsive. Acceleration is smooth, and the overall driving experience is designed to be relaxed and enjoyable rather than stressful. This makes long journeys more fun and opens RV-style travel to a whole new group of people. Storage is another area where this camper shines. Clever compartments under seating areas and along the walls provide space for clothing, gear, and travel essentials. While it won't replace a large RV for family trips, it's more than enough for minimalist travelers who value experiences over excess luggage. The Tricycle RV Camper 2026 is perfect for weekend escapes, solo road trips, digital nomads, and couples who want a flexible lifestyle. It blends mobility, comfort, and innovation into a package that feels fresh and forward-thinking. This camper isn't about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about smart design, freedom of movement, and redefining what travel can look like in the modern world. As we move toward the end of this video, it's clear that the Tricycle RV Camper 2026 represents a new direction in recreational vehicles. It challenges the idea that bigger is better and proves that thoughtful design can deliver comfort and convenience in a compact form. Whether you're exploring coastal roads, mountain passes, or quiet countryside spots, this camper is built to go where traditional RVs often can't. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this deep look at the Tricycle RV Camper 2026 and love discovering innovative vehicles and travel ideas, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments what you think about this unique camper and where you'd take it first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.